Okay, this was just some stupid test of me because I always want to try things out that seem impossible, and guess what? It is possible. I have the CRICUT Maker 3, and with the CRICUT Maker 3 we all know you can cut smart materials without a cutting mat. So I thought, why should it be smart materials? Why can we cut normal materials like normal vinyl, which I have loads of in my home, and cut that without a mat? So I went to Experience, and for this hack I just made my name with a box around it. I will show you at the end of the video why I put that box around it. Well, I just clicked for the smart material of the removable vinyl, but if that setting isn't working for you or for your material of your vinyl, you can always adjust it like here. But remember to put the basic settings back to what they were if you go back to cutting smart materials, because you don't want to mix that up. So put it down somewhere, write it down, make a screenshot or whatever. As you can see, I am cutting here the vinyl, and it's just normal vinyl, no smart material vinyl, and it cut so good. I will show you here, because I just cut the vinyl at the same size as the smart material size. See, here is the smart material. It's the same size as my normal vinyl, and that's why I cut a box around my name, because if I didn't, I couldn't reuse this vinyl and I had to throw it away or put it on a mat that you can do always. But I didn't, so this is an easy way that you don't have to use your mat, and you don't waste your vinyl. See how easy it is peeling off, and it's very tiny cut, so it's very small cut, and it just works. So any material you have lying around that has a backing, I must say that, because if it doesn't have a backing, you really don't want to cut it without a mat. But like this, the vinyl and the heat transfer vinyl, you can just cut without a mat. So I was very happy it worked, and I hope you like it too, and that it gives you a lot of more options for you to use your other materials you have lying around, and not just have to buy only smart materials. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I will come with a lot of more CRICUT hacks, but also for the Scanncut and a lot of other cool crafts. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.